So this week, I might have just landed my first ever client for my AI business. And I want to walk through with all you guys on how it actually happened, because people make it sound way harder than it actually is. And the way I managed to land this client is quite interesting. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So if you're new here, my name is Daniel and I'm on my journey of building an AI company, and I'm showing you guys every single step of the way. And if you guys remember on the last episode, we were working on creating some AI concepts, and one of it was the AI persona. So to give you guys some context, an AI persona is essentially an interactive AI avatar that is able to create a two-way communication with the users. Some of the use cases would be for client onboarding, AI concierge, an AI sales rep, customer service. This AI persona comes under our digital workforce products, which is essentially an AI employee. And of course, right now, as you know, we're still early, we're testing the ideas, we're refining the product, and we're actually still trying to test out if this product works in the real world environment. Anyway, back to the chat. I just want to tell you guys on how I actually managed to land this particular client. So earlier today, I was actually in Singapore where I had a meeting with a few clients and a few partners of mine. So whilst I was on my business trip, I was at a networking event and I got introduced and connected with a guy. The event is about AI and AI technologies, and there were loads of potential clients and potential partners there. So when I met him, I actually had the chance to introduce myself and also tell him about all the products that we were doing and the developments that's currently happening right now. To my luck, he decided to ask for a demo meeting. So I went to the meeting with the guy and his team, and they walked us through some of the problems that they are having in their business right now. Then I showed them the capabilities of our AI persona, where you're actually able to support and create a two-way communication that can act as a AI employee for your business. Particular use case, I proposed for them to use AI in order to automate their client onboarding process. And then I went on to do the demo. It was repetitive, it was productive, and of course their team kept on asking questions, similar questions over and over again. But the best part is, instead of trying to impress the client with any fancy AI features, me and the client, we focus on one thing, which is solving their actual problem. And this brings me to the first big lesson that I learned whilst building my AI business. The lesson is sell solutions, not features. People don't buy technology, they buy solutions to their problems. Especially now in 2026, there's a lot of people that's using AI for services and everything. Nobody actually really cares how advanced your AI is. They care if you're able to solve their problem, where it can save their time, it can reduce their stress, and they definitely care if it can make their operations way smoother. This makes me realize that as a way to present to them, I don't just talk about look how smart our AI is. So I started to pitch a bit differently on saying how AI is able to remove 50% of your onboarding workload. This lesson kind of goes to any one of you that's currently starting your business, already have your own business and looking to scale. Always sell the outcome and not just the feature. Here's the best part about our meeting. After discussion, I was delighted to hear that they were very interested in moving towards a proof of concept stage. Now, if you don't know what a proof of concept is, it's basically a real world test phase. The client will agree to use your solutions for a certain period of time in their actual operational environment to see if your product works and fits their needs. But here's the important part. We managed to discuss on a commercial paid POC. But I have to negotiate and discuss with the client that in order to build this AI or develop this application, clearly it costs us quite a lot of cash up front. And this is something that I realized that a lot of early stage founders or business owners get wrong. Usually when we're starting out, we always want to offer the clients a free pilot. Because when something is free, there's no urgency, no accountability, and no commitment. But when a client pays, even if it's a small amount, then everything changes. It will show up, they will give real feedback, and they will treat it like a real project. So another tip for any of you guys that's actually building a business out there in whatever industry that you're in, if you are building something, try to structure pilots as a paid POC whenever it's possible. But of course, for this commercial part, I'll charge Version 2, which is the subscription-based model, and of course the monthly retainer fee. But as far as the commercial part is concerned, I'm not going to be sharing to you guys exactly what the terms are, but let's just say usually a project like this or a POC scope like this, depending on the scope, it can reach between $5,000 to maybe $7,500 US a month for the next 6 months, which is quite good. I'll take it. And the good thing about this is that once you land your first client, then the rest becomes a bit easier, because all you have to do is just replicate, and of course always improving the way you present, the way your product is, refine your product, and of course to find the right clients that will work with you well. Most importantly, keep the momentum. Momentum is what keeps you going even when motivation is down. Well, that's what I tell myself anyway, because this is definitely a win. A small win is still a win, no matter how big the dream is. And this is exactly what I need to continue to scale and to build and to start and show that there is a pilot project going for a new company. But what's crazy about this is I'm so glad we only just started like a week ago, and then we are actually already on our way to hopefully signing our first ever client for a pilot project. But hey, we're still in January, we still got 11 months to go, and who knows, maybe we're able to scale up. Who knows, we can make $1 million this year. That'd be great. And this is why I'm documenting everything, not just the wins, all the uncertainties, and definitely the journey too. Hey guys, that's been episode 3. It's been a very good trip so far, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. So make sure you guys, if you're not following my social media yet, make sure you guys do. It's in the description down below. All my Instagram, my TikTok, I'll be posting all the shorts contents there. But yeah, it's still in the early days. I'm still building, I'm still learning every single day, and I'll be posting every single week. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one.